Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 235 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with entering the menu, so just press this middle button, go down and then left to find the settings. Let's select, so the middle button again. Now go down to time and language, select date and time, select, and here we can customize the date and time. Basically we can decide what kind of clock format we want to use, so the 24-hour one which is currently applied, and you can change it just by pressing this middle button again, and we can set the 12-hour format. Currently we've got the auto update option applied, so we have to change it, so just press on change, and as you can see right now we can change the time zone, just select it, and here we will be transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So after finding, just press select, so the middle button. The time we can change it just by using the keypad, so let me choose maybe 4 a.m. save. Then let's go to the date and let me choose maybe the 22nd of May of 1984. Let's tap on save or press save and it will be immediately applied. So this is how to manually change date and time. Of course you can go back to all previous settings just by using this auto update option. Just press the middle button and you can again change it to the 24-hour clock just by pressing the middle button again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.